In the land where mountains rise above the clouds beyond the skies, stands a palace majestic and grand in the heart of Tibet's sacred land.
Potala Palace, gleaming white, a beacon in the morning light, where prayers and chants intertwine.
Through corridors of wisdom deep, where echoes of the past still creep, every stone a tale untold, in its walls secrets unfold.
Potala Palace, soaring high, beneath the vast and endless sky, a sanctuary holy and pure, where dreams of peace forever endure. Oh, how the sunlight softly dances on golden roofs, and sacred trances each step a journey through history, in this palace of divine mystery. Potala Palace, timeless art, a sanctuary for every heart, in every corner, every dome, a testament to love and hope.
In the land where mountains rise above the clouds beyond the skies, stands a palace majestic and grand, in the heart of Tibet's sacred land. Potala Palace, gleaming white, a beacon in the morning light, where prayers and chants intertwine, in halls where ancient spirits shine. Through corridors of wisdom deep, where echoes of the past still creep, every stone a tale untold, in its walls secrets unfold. Potala Palace, soaring high, beneath the vast and endless sky, a sanctuary and pure, where dreams of peace forever endure. Oh, how the sunlight softly dances on golden roofs, in sacred trances each step a journey through history, in this palace of divine mystery. Potala Palace, timeless art, a